In this video, I will highlight how you can use Inboxdollars to make some cash, make some money online. This Inboxdollars is a survey site and much, much more. Inboxdollars is a free to sign up. You get paid to take surveys, open emails, completing offers, referring others, and searching for this company. This is a legit way to make some extra cash, but it does require some effort. So I'm not going to sit and sell you on one of those click one button and make $1,000 or whatever, 500 bucks. It takes a little time and effort, but easy to do, easy to follow up, and explain very well through the website. So let me highlight some of the pros and cons with Inboxdollars that I have come across. First and foremost, the pros, many ways to make money with this company. For starters, new users get $5 just for signing up. So for example, if you click the link in the description and for example, I refer you, I get $5, you get $5 to start out. It's sort of like a give and take there, to be candid about it. Also, you get paid by simply opening up emails. Not many sites offer this. At least at the making of this video, there's not a whole lot of sites that offer that source there, opening emails to get paid to do so. And they walk you through it and how they want it done and things like that. And of course, you got to follow their rules and their regulations, that kind of thing. Third is the referral program. Now, this is my favorite way to make money with Inboxdollars and get paid a small fee and referral fee. You get paid simply by referring new customers. And fourth way is the credibility. This is a pro with Inboxdollars. They deal with reputable brands like Netflix, Walmart, Groupon, and much, much more. So they have the backing of these reputable companies that they're giving a lot of their discounts and things like that out, and that people are signing up for, so on and so forth. Well, some of the cons. It's a high cash out with Inboxdollars. At this time, it's $30 you earn. Every $30 you earn is the time you can cash that out. So you got to build it up to 30 bucks, which sounds, like it's not a whole lot. But when you're just starting out, that could be a challenge for you, wanting to get your money a little sooner. But if you have high referrals and if you're referring a lot of people per day and accumulating up to 30 bucks, that will be no problem for you to cash out quicker. And another con is they pay by check. Yeah, I know, check in this digital age that we're in. But yeah, that's the way they're set up. And sometimes it could take up to 15 days. But if you look at this as a way to supplement your income and just another revenue stream, it's not that bad. You can sort of accumulate those checks and have that money coming in as sort of like a buffer or something, where you can not really rely on it, but it could be nice little addition to your income. It's really a great way, as I mentioned, to supplement your income. No, you won't get rich the first day with this company, but with a little effort, you can make some decent money with it. And with that being said, there's some people in Inboxdollars that have accumulated quite a bit of weekly revenue with it. So also there's a way to earn more with the gold membership. I can't explain all that in this video, but if you want to learn more, just click the link in the description. You can learn more about Inboxdollars. And again, it's free to sign up. You can start earning today. And if you sign up under me and my link, it is a referral. I only get like $5, and I think you'll get $5 for signing up. So just want to be as candid as possible with that. Just another opportunity out there online that you can generate some income for yourself and for your family. Take care, guys. We'll see you in the next one.